everyone, this is Lucy, and today I'm going to show you how to recall sent emails in Outlook. So, first, go to your Outlook and search for the sent items. Here, you will see all the items that you sent. Know that you can only recall the messages, the emails, if the receiver has not viewed your message. So go to the message you want to recall, and here in the move ribbon you need to click on this more move actions and you will see recall this message. Here you need to click on the second option, which is delete unread copies and replace with a new message, and click on OK. Now it will give you an option to edit the messages, and now click on send, and you will see that there's a new sent message which I wrote to replace it with the old one. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.